Back, we're going to cover another basic lesson with Cricut Design Space, which is my personal favorite, subtract. So we've covered slice, we've covered weld unite. We're going to flip our tea towel around, and in the bottom left-hand corner, we're going to do subtract. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a blank canvas in Design Space. Now, from filming this video to my previous two, Cricut updated the software again, so you may have to go looking for some of the features in here, but our shapes remain in the same place. So shapes, 2-inch heart. I'm going to change the color to yellow because I've already dug through my scrap pile, and I'm going to do this in yellow. And then the next is, this time we're going to click on text. So we're just going to type SUB, so sub for subtract. And now we're going to want to shrink it so it fits within the heart. Don't worry about centering it. I mean, you can if you want to, but that looks pretty good. Now you're going to highlight both, and on the bottom right-hand side under combine, you're going to hit subtract. So now you have the letters that have been pulled out of your image. So when we go to weed this, you have your outside heart, and you're going to have to weed the tiny little letters in the side. So we're going to go ahead and make this. The scrap material that I chose this time is actually puff vinyl. I did a video a couple of days ago about puff vinyl because I had some challenges with it, but it turns out it wasn't me after all. Anyway, we're going to proceed to do this cut in yellow puff vinyl. If I haven't talked about this before, when you're looking through your materials, when you pick certain materials, your software is going to automatically mirror it for you. So this just takes a step out of having to worry about making sure that if you have letters that they're going to be facing the right direction. So I'll show you what I mean. In this, we're going to do puff iron on. As soon as we click it and hit done, you get this notification to tell you that it automatically mirrors it for iron on and infusible ink. Now you're going to proceed to weed this design, but this time I'm actually going to press it on my large heat press. And the reason being is because I'm using scrap puff vinyl, which takes a little bit more pressure, and I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to do that with my mini press. So I'm going to go ahead and press this. You'll notice that my time and temp is a bit different. The reason being is puff vinyl is actually quite a bit lower with heavier pressure. Most vinyls, I find 315 for 15 seconds is pretty standard. Glitter 320 for 20 seconds. But puff vinyl is actually a lot lower at 270, probably around 12 seconds, but my machine only does 5-second increments. So I'm going to abandon it after about 10 seconds. You'll see the sheet comes off because the puff vinyl puffs essentially instantly. So if you see that sort of funny design, you need to watch my other video on puff vinyl because it actually is the intended result based on the manufacturer's description. Cheers.